How to get a free SSL certificate with Hostinger? Let's get to it. What's up everybody, it's David, websitecreatorpro.com. So Hostinger is definitely one of my favorite budget web hosts on the market today. You can get some really amazing hosting deals at hostinger.com, but one slight issue that I never liked is that they don't provide an SSL certificate for free. Now, most web hosts give you a free SSL certificate through something called Let's Encrypt, but the issue with Let's Encrypt is that your SSL certificate needs to be renewed every 3 months, and most web hosts just do this on your behalf for you, but Hostinger has it as an upsell, and so there is a workaround, there is another way in order for you to get a free SSL certificate with Hostinger, and in this video, I want to show you how. So let's get to it. Welcome to my laptop. Let's begin. So this is going to be short and sweet and to the point with no fancy editing. So this is Hostinger. This is my domain name.com, which is myname.com. So I have a Hostinger account and this is the example website I just quickly set up. And so it's my name and we have the nice lock to show that the site is secure. Now, how did I do this? Very easy. So step one is that you actually have to create your website with WordPress. Okay, so that's step one. With Hostinger, it's very simple. So we just come down there and step one is you want to just navigate quickly to where it says your DNS settings underneath here. So we have this DNS zone editor and you want to find where it says your Hostinger name servers. We have NS1, NS2, NS3. Jump into your domain name registrar. I personally use Namecheap and populate this area. Select custom DNS and just add in your name servers, NS1, 2, 3, 4, right here. And that is it. And then click the little green check mark to make sure it saves. And that's it, okay? And the next step after that is you just have to jump in to where it says auto installer. Come over here. And then from the auto installer section, just make sure to install WordPress. That's it. And then create a website. That's it. And then let your WordPress website sit for a few hours so everything properly propagates. That's it. Really that simple. Once you have done that, navigate over to Cloudflare. So you're going to have to search for Cloudflare. It's literally Cloudflare. The first search result right here, just log in and create an account. It's not that complicated. Once you create an account, you need to add in your site. Very obvious how to do that. Just click this button that says add a site, then type in your site right here. So how it says example.com, just type in your domain name.com, whatever that is. So all I did was type in my domain name.com. And once you do that, you're going to be looking at the DNS settings tab page because Cloudflare is going to automatically grab all the information, all your DNS settings that have propagated. That's why you need to create a WordPress website and just let it sit for a few hours. Once it's done this, you're all set. Now it's going to come down here and it's going to tell you that you need to add these specific name servers to your domain name registrar. So whatever domain name registrar you decide to go with, GoDaddy, Namecheap, Google Domains, whatever, you want to jump back in and then populate the domain name's DNS settings here. So that means you have to delete, okay? Just delete NS1, NS2, NS3 from Hostinger and replace it with the DNS settings right here that Cloudflare is giving you. And then make sure to click the little green check mark and then grab a cup of coffee and wait. It's another waiting game. Wait for everything to propagate. You know, just come back in an hour. Just set it and forget it and just come back in an hour. And once you've done that, you should be set up and everything should be working properly. Now, the next thing, the little thing you need to do is navigate over to this SSL tab. Once you're on this SSL tab, make sure you have flexible selected, okay? That's it. And then make sure to click on Edge Certificates and make sure to enable always use HTTPS. This is very critical because your website will have an HTTP version and an HTTPS version, and this forces anyone who tries to visit the HTTP version to be navigated to the HTTPS version, and that's it. It's that simple. And so let's just take a look. So plugins. I don't have any plugins. I don't have really simple SSL installed. I don't have any Cloudflare. I have nothing installed. Okay, this is just a very basic site and it's completely set up and working as expected. Okay, and so let's just open up another web browser and we can just type in, like, I'll type in HTTP. Okay, HTTP equals, and then we'll type in my domain and it redirects appropriately to HTTPS, and that's it. That's all it takes. So it's a very simple process, but it's just a bit of a waiting game. Don't get frustrated. Don't get frustrated because you're being impatient. You just got to wait. Okay, so to make sure, just follow the instructions as I specifically laid out in this video, and that's all you have to do. So everything should be coming up here. We have host, you have a type, universal, active. Make sure this is on. Again, make sure it's flexible, and that's it. That's all you have to do. You don't have to install any additional plugins. There's nothing you have to do. Just create a WordPress website, let it sit for a few hours, then create a Cloudflare account, and then let that propagate with the domain name by setting up Cloudflare name servers in your domain name registrar. Come back, check the SSL certificate, make sure it's flexible. Edge certificates is enabled where it's always use HTTPS, and that's it. You're good to go. Alright, that's it for this video. If you enjoyed it, consider subscribing, hit that like button, and check the links in the description. You can get a hosting plan with Hostinger by using the links below. I do get a commission, but you also get a big discount on their already low prices, so it's a win-win for all involved. Anyways, that's it for this video. Thank you very much, and have a good day.